जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ साईरा।
He is the favorite grandson of Govindaraj Tata and named after Tata's father, that is Venkataramayar. In fact, I remember my brother Chandru used to call Balaji, where is Venkataramayar? All the time, that's how we asked. Venkataraman became Raman. Of course, for all of us, he is Balaji. Maybe in official circles he is Raman, but for all of us he is Balaji. And from a very naughty child, he has grown into a very, very good person, in the sense, he's a counselor for the family. When anyone has some problem, some advice, they would go to him, Balaji, and he has a solution. At least he will listen to the people. Another very unusual character, I must say, children like him. It's very, for example, me, I don't think children like me. Because somehow he has a knack of making friendship, young people in particular. So, he, as I said, he's a counselor for the family. And he should, of course, one thing I think, he's very afraid of health issues. He doesn't say so, but I could figure out. Gayatri may know, he will consult her. But I think he's afraid of health issues. But as you are perfectly okay, there is no issue. And continue to be a counselor, continue to be a very important member of the family. And we need your advice, we need your help, especially for the younger generation. Older generation, like me, is out of view. So even if you advise us, we won't listen. Old people normally don't listen. But I admire Balaji. I have great admiration for him. And he's a favorite grandson, as I said, of Govindaraj Tata. So health is very important. 60 is a milestone. It's good. But we would like you to continue as a counselor, as a friend, as a philosopher, whatever. And of late I find Balaji to be more philosophical. Maybe he had it in him, which didn't come out. I thought he never believed in God. But now I see, he goes to Sai Baba temple, Shirdi temple, Shiva temple. So it's good. Everyone has needs hold. Everyone needs a hold. Whoever talked, said no God, subsequently found some way, they may not say God, but they needed to. Anyway, it's not for me to analyze Balaji's characters and so on, but a very reliable person, very, I like his importance in the family, and he should continue to be a very important member of the family. The old people will be gone, and you become the chief counselor now. So that would become very, very important. So I wish him all the best. I wish him very good health, and let him continue to be a very, very important member of the family.
बचपन प्यारा बचपन, बचपन प्यारा बचपन, माँ का दुलारा है, आँखों का तारा है, माँ का दुलारा है, आँखों का तारा है, बचपन प्यारा बचपन। निश्चल निर्मल भाव है, हर कोई पर विश्वास है, निश्चल निर्मल भाव है, हर कोई पर विश्वास है, मोह माया से अनजान है, सत्यता की पहचान है, मोह माया से अनजान है, सत्यता की पहचान है, भावना निस्वार्थ है, मन में शांति प्रेम है, भावना निस्वार्थ है, मन में शांति प्रेम है, मन में शांति प्रेम है, बचपन प्यारा बचपन, प्यारा बचपन, प्यारा बचपन।
जवानी है जवानी, जवानी है जवानी, अब आया दिन ये यवन का, बनाओ खुद गर्ज दिल का, आया दिन ये यवन का, बनाओ खुद गर्ज दिल का, बड़ों की इज्जत छोड़ी, दोस्तों से नाता जोड़ी, बड़ों की इज्जत छोड़ी, दोस्तों से नाता जोड़ी, क्या करना ना पता है, फिर भी करे मनमानी, क्या करना ना पता है, फिर भी करे मनमानी, जवानी है जवानी, अब आया दिन ये यवन का, बनाओ खुद गर्ज दिल का,
तू दयालु भी न हो, तू दानी हो भिखारी, तू दयालु भी न हो, तू दानी हो भिखारी, हो प्रसिद्ध पातकी, तू पाप पुंज कारी, तू दयालु दीन हो, तू दानी हो भिखारी, नाद को अनाद को, अनाद को नमो मोचमाल आरत नहीं, मोचमाल आरत मई दानी, तो तू दयालु हो उदानी हो भिखारी तो ही मोही नाते अनेक मानिए जो बावे जो त्यो तुलसी कृपालु जो त्यो तुलसी कृपालु शरण शरण भावे तू दयालु ये न हो उदानी हो भिखारी हो प्रसिद्ध पादकी तू पाप पुंज तारी तू दयालु दीन हो तू दानी हो भिखारी।
जा आया गृहस्थी का पैसों के लालच में पड़ गया पगला। नतीजा आया गृहस्थी का पैसों के लालच में पड़ गया पगला। पत्नी का साथ अब तू ना अकेला, बच्चों के प्यार में सब जग भूला। पत्नी का साथ अब तू ना अकेला, बच्चों के प्यार में सब जग भूला। नतीजा आया गृहस्थी का पैसों के लालच में पड़ गया पगला। का साथ अब तू ना अकेला, बच्चों के प्यार में सब जग भूला। पत्नी का साथ अब तू ना अकेला, बच्चों के प्यार में सब जग भूला। नतीजा आया गृहस्थी का पैसों के लालच में पड़ गया पगला। नतीजा आया गृहस्थी का, नतीजा आया गृहस्थी का।
V. Govindarajan. Tata to his grandchildren was a young at heart grandfather. From the time we were born, he was a part and parcel of our daily lives. He was, at least for some, or is it just me, some of us, a bigger influence than our parents. Tata was a man who contributed to the running of the household in an active manner, cutting vegetables, visits to the bank, which was practically every day, going to the market. He was active and energetic. He was the glue that kept two or possibly three generations of the family in touch, interested in each other. Writing letters to family and friends was part of his daily routine. Many in the family owe their marital status to his corresponding skills. Another routine was keeping a record of daily happenings in English in his Ho and Co diary in amazingly neat handwriting. His comfort with the English language, also expressed in his attacking the daily newspaper crossword puzzle, was a pleasure to enjoy on a day-to-day basis. He always had time for us grandchildren and engaged with us in a deep and affectionate manner. There was healthy competition for his presence from the two sets of grandchildren, one set based in Delhi and the other in South Bangalore. A great communicator, at least with us grandchildren, he had wonderful stories to tell of family, mythology, or even relating the news to us in an interesting manner. His narrative that he was born in Sandringham, England, was something that we kids believed to be true for a long time. Fact was that Kali Sharnangur was his place of birth. He had coined a nonsense word mumbly and infused it with mystical powers by repeated use. Tata V.G. Rajan. Silver hair, specs, vesti and bare chest, usually with a smile. His presence is still felt.
अब आया दौर सबसे सुनहरा, अब आया दौर सबसे सुनहरा, कोई फिकर नहीं ना कोई चिंता, कोई फिकर नहीं ना कोई चिंता, जियो जिंदगी अपने मन की, जियो जिंदगी अपने मन की, खुशियाँ मनाओ दूसरे बचपन की, खुशियाँ मनाओ दूसरे बचपन की, अब आया दौर। परिवार का संग लागे प्यारा, परिवार का संग लागे प्यारा, गेट टुगेदर लगे सबसे न्यारा, गेट टुगेदर लगे सबसे न्यारा, खाओ पियो और ऐश करो, आ, 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 जो मनो हंस बोलनो क्यों ही प्रीत की डोर में हम सब बंद के रहे क्यों ही प्रीत की डोर में हम सब बंद के रहे क्यों ही प्रीत की डोर